welcome back to a new video. It's your girl Megan Albright, and today I'm doing something new, something special that I've always wanted to do. I'm going to be doing a Korean barbecue mukbang. Finally, I can find Korean barbecue in Norway. I didn't, or in Oslo at least. I didn't think they even had it or it was possible to order, but now it is. So you guys, if you want to get a Korean barbecue like this, check out 𝐂𝐇𝐀𝐏 Asian barbecue. I'm gonna put their Instagram here. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about them and their story while I'm grilling. So let me just get the grill on. Okay, is it? No, wait, okay. The owner, he lent me his grill because I was like, I'm ready to eat. Okay, before we get started, I'm going to introduce the ingredients. I'm going to tell you guys what I have. I have like a little bit of everything, but like the meat we're going to be using is, I think it's duck. Yes, it's duck. We have a few vegetables here, greens that I'm gonna grill first as instructed. I really hope I'm doing this correctly, because if not, and then here's the duck. It's not completely raw, as he said, so I think we'll be fine. We got the pickles there, and we got some kimchi. I'm being really careful with the grill. Let me taste the kimchi. This is what it looks like. This makes me want to go back to South Korea, which I will be soon. And then we have some rice right here. And I don't know what this is called in English, but it's a type of onion salad. A type of salad in here. And I can use this as like a, you know, to put all the ingredients inside. But let's start with the grilling, guys. Don't worry, I have the windows open, everything is open, because I had to grill in the living room. I had no other choice. Let's put some of the duck on the other side. Okay, so I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about 𝐂𝐇𝐏. Basically, it's on our website, it says in Norwegian. I don't know if you can translate the website. Maybe you guys can. For those who don't speak Norwegian, at least it should be possible. But no, it's not. So you guys are stuck with me. So basically, 𝐂𝐇𝐏, the whole idea or the whole concept started with a dinner at a barbecue restaurant with his uncle, the guy who owns it, basically. So you know, his uncle, when he moved to New York City, they had like a tradition where they met twice a month to eat Korean barbecue, have, you know, good talks, and like, you know, create like nice memories and stuff. So when he came back to Norway, he missed that, you know, the Korean barbecue and like the community around it, like the, I don't know how to say it in English, but fellesskap, but you know, like eating with people, making memories, like, because I feel like Korean barbecue is very like intimate in a way, because we're eating from the same place, you know, just taking a little by little from everything together and like having a talk and whatever. So he missed that, and that's what happened. And then here comes 𝐂𝐇𝐏 Asian barbecue here in Norway, which I think we're so grateful. If you look at their website, their Instagram is called 𝐂𝐇𝐏 Asian Barbecue, like BBQ, and they have like pop-ups in different places in Oslo, in the city and stuff like that. Maybe they're trying to expand, who knows, but you guys might be the first ones to check it out. And as of now, they have a 10% off on the whole order, and they recommend people to book their orders in advance for when you want to have it. And you can either have it like already cooked and ready to eat, or you can have it where you have to grill it yourself, depending on what you want. And they have so many different options. If you go to the website, you can see their menu. So cool, amazing website, by the way. I'm going to show you guys. You guys can see the whole thing. They have delivery, they have a pop-up, and you can probably pick it up depending on the talk you have with the manager. They have a couple of different menus on your website. Menu with like a table group for minimum of 2 people. I had to beg him to give me this for 1 person, you know, because I was like, I can't eat food for a whole 2 people. Oh my god, I need to be eating while talking, but it's not working. It's not giving what it's supposed to be giving. They have 𝗏𝗏𝗏. They have pork belly, they have vegan. So if you guys are vegan, like I was saying, you guys are watching me eating meat and you're like, I don't think I should be eating meat. But they have vegan also, and they have different things. 𝗂𝐇𝐀𝐏𝐿 𝗏𝗏𝗏. I hope I pronounced that correctly. And all of the others come like with the marinated meat, with a few vegetables and stuff, with rice, depending on what you want. You can get extra rice, extra duck, extra, everything extra that you want, you can get it, baby. All the sauces, everything, and you can like grill it yourself at home. Like I said, like this is me grilling at my apartment. Do whatever you want with it. It's your food, your dinner. Okay, so with that being said, let's get back into eating. Okay, I think I'll put the sauce first to make sure it's everywhere. Some rice again, salad, vegetables. It was so hot last time, but this one tastes so good though. Radish is actually good, you know. The duck. Okay, close that up like a tackle. You know the food is good when you don't want to talk while eating. Like, I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the food. I hope you enjoyed me eating the food. And if you would like to purchase this, if you like to get a Korean barbecue for your friends or your family or just for yourself like I did, don't forget to check out 𝗏𝗏𝗏 Asian barbecue on Instagram, and they also have a website called 𝗏𝗏𝗏 Korean barbecue. I'm going to leave their information in the bio description box below, so check it out. Also, you can put leave the link to the Instagram, to their website and everything. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.